Top 10 archaeological discoveries found during road construction. Top 1. Richard III's grave, Leicester, UK, unearthed in 2012 under a city centre car park during municipal work. The king's remains were identified via DNA. Top 2. Emperor Hadrian's Athenaeum, Rome, Italy, is 2nd century AD Roman art center discovered during the construction of a new subway line. Top 3. Nanay No. 1 shipwreck, South China Sea, a 12th century merchant vessel. The best preserved ancient ship found in China was located during marine, coastal construction planning. Top 4. Roman settlement at Scotch Corner, North Yorkshire, UK, discovered in 2017 during a one-road improvements. This site suggests earlier Roman expansion in northern England than previously known. Top 5. Mesolithic hunting camp, Scotland, unearthed during road building. This site included a 7000 BC camp and a 4,000-year-old jet bead necklace. Top 6. Mayan ball court, Yucatan, Mexico, a 2,500-year-old sports court uncovered during infrastructure work, indicating early ceremonial activities. Top 7. Incan walls, Cuzco, Peru, ancient, robust stonework found during the construction of a Marriott hotel. Top 8. Prehistoric, Desert Kites, Slovenia, massive stone hunting walls dating back 10,000 to 4,000 years. Found in the karst region, changing views on European prehistoric hunting. Top 9. Hercules statue, Rome, Italy, a life-size marble statue discovered in 2023 beneath the Appian Way during sewer repairs. Top 10. Medieval graves, Cambridge, UK, more than 60 early medieval graves found beneath Cambridge University buildings during expansion work.